Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a spring morning routine. This is what I do every day to keep my house clean and organized. First things first, I start a cup of coffee to get me going. My day does start about 6 a.m. in the spring. After I got my coffee going, I get ready for the day. I basically get dressed, do my skincare, brush my teeth, and do my makeup and hair. My routine is pretty consistent. I do the same routine for the spring, and the remaining of the spring I do work, so this routine is perfect for anyone who works from home and is a stay-at-home mom or is a stay-at-home mom. I'm a believer in practicing good habits, and doing it each morning will create a clean, organized home, and it'll get you off to a great start each day. Next, I start breakfasts, and my breakfasts during the work and school week are pretty quick. I'll do eggs and toast, cereal, oatmeal, frozen waffles, of course fruit, yogurt, smoothies, and all that jazz. My kids leave for school at 6:55 a.m. and I usually typically leave for work about between 8:30 and 9 a.m. depending on when I have to teach my first class. At this point, my children have left for school, and I am back home and cleaning all of the breakfast dishes and all of the surfaces, such as the dining room table and counters. I think if you practice good habits religiously and have lots of discipline, your mornings can run very smoothly and start your day off extremely well organized and with a clean home. At this point, I usually throw in a load of laundry every morning to get us going through the day. And I also like to take out the trash if it needs to be taken out and clean all of my bathroom surfaces from the gunk of toothpaste and hair that the kids may have left behind. Also, I'll sweep or vacuum the floor, fluff the pillows, and open the blinds in the living room and let all that natural sunlight get in from the spring. In the morning, I like to prep what we're going to eat the night before, such as thawing meat, start a crock pot, marinate or season, and prep any food like vegetables and fruit. Next, I like to make the beds and fluff the pillows. If sheets need to be pulled off the bed, I like to get that going in the morning as well. Then also I pick up any water, cups, or tissues or anything that is in the bedrooms from the evening. Finally, I like to focus or work on one daily cleaning task. So today I am working in my kitchen and laundry room, basically cleaning the garbage area, just making sure the door is wiped down and clean and the walls from any spills, and cleaning out the trash bin. So that finalizes my morning spring routine. If you guys have a morning spring routine that's slightly different than mine, share it in the comments below. Remember to give me a thumbs up if you love videos like this, and remember to hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys real soon.